Hello viewers, welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. If today is your first time coming here, we say a very big welcome to you. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and also click on the notification button, or you can go to our Instagram. You can see it on my back as a background. Just go there, look for Austin Global, and search. You see a lot of testimony. All right, subscribe, follow us as well. If you want whitening products, count on us. If you want whitening product to use in 3 days, in 7 days, you want to get white, count on us. You can contact us on that. We have our own product. So let's jump into it. Today we'll be talking about this lalala face cream. We have other lalala product, but let's talk about this face cream. You ask me, you know yourself, you ask me, can it be used all over the body? If you want to use it all over your body, fine, but how many will you use? So, but basically it's a face cream. Look at it. All right, it's a face cream. Now this face cream, what does it do? Is this original or fake? We're coming to that. This face cream, it helps to clear your face. Use it directly. It helps to clear your face, lighten your face. It clears sunburn. All is gradually anyway. It clears sunburn also. It's very, very good. All right. Not when your sunburn is gone to breach, as in, spots that you can repair. But when you notice sunburn, you can use it. At that particular moment, let's say there about 1 week to 3 weeks, it will clear it off. It helps. The only reason, when I always tell you, the only reason product I show you they will not work, if I show you any product and it didn't work, know that it's fake. All right, and we have different type of it. So look at it. This is how it looks like. So don't let that deceive you. It's sealed. There are some that will buy for you. See, it's not sealed. They will be telling you story. Run from me. That is fake. See, so this one is sealed. So let's jump into it again. It helps to lighten your face within days. It's fast, but not for everybody. It's fast for those of you who are lighter in complexion. You can use it within some days. But if you're not light complexion, you try to use it, it will lighten you, but not as soon as you think it will lighten you. So it works. The question you asked me if lalala face cream works, it's work, and it's among one of the best face cream I will always recommend for you. The reason why I'm telling you this, because people are in the market selling the fake now, because you getting it. You might see, because of the way they are rushing it, cost price is a little bit up now. So people try to make the fake and sell it cheap. That is why somebody said, this is what I buy 500 naira before. No, go market whether you see and buy 500 naira. This is what I buy 300 naira before. Go market whether you see. If you see somebody selling this thing 300 naira for you, my dear, don't buy it. Especially those of you who are coming to skincare line new. All right, our product works. I use it to promise a lot to people who just want a mild face cream. I can recommend this for you, or I use it to promise. If you say, okay, some people that are specifically, they will tell you that use this to promise for me. Use lalala face cream to promise for me. You can use it direct on your skin. Then another question you ask, does it clear pimples? No, it doesn't. It doesn't clear pimples, so it only removes spots. It will clear off your spots. It's not a pimples. If you use and it work on your pimples, fine. It's just, I don't know. But it's not for, because a lot of people be mistaken that it's a face cream good for pimples. It's not for pimples. There's something we call anti-pimples face cream. Anti-pimples, it clear pimples, blah blah blah. But this one is not for fit. This one is a lightening product. It's a lightening. They wrote whitening, but it's not whitening. It's a lightening product. The only way to whiten it when you use it consistently, like you dwell on this. Sorry. Like you dwell on this. That I can say can whiten you some of the days. So we've come to the end of this review. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and place your order. We have a lot amazing lightening products, whitening product, you know, toning product, pimples, anti-pimples product, you know, anti-pimples face serum. We have all that glowing product. We have a lot. So place your order. Bye.